Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How to create TikTok professional mode account USA in UK in all country. First open browser for iPhone Safari, for Android Chrome. Search my location. Your location check. I check my location. My location Afghanistan. I from Afghanistan. Afghanistan Ghazni. Next for iPhone, open App Store. For Android, Play Store. Search Super VPN. Search Super VPN. Download this VPN. Next, open this VPN, Super VPN. For UK account, London, UK selected, connected. For Germany account, Germany selected. For Canada account, Canada selected. I creating TikTok account USA. I connecting America, USA, New York. Wait. Two seconds. Connected New York. Next, again browser open. Search my location. I check my location. Changed my location in Afghanistan to United States, New York. You say New York. Next, let's go create TikTok accounts. Search in browser TikTok sign up. Click sign up. Sign up. Click next. You can create TikTok account. Continue with Facebook. Continue with Google. Continue with email ID. Continue use phone or email. I create TikTok account. Continue with Google. I click continue with Google. Two seconds wait. Click your already email. I click my email. Next, continue. Click. Next, wait 2 seconds. Next, selected birthday. Your birthday. I select my birthday. Next, click. Your account creating. Congratulations, successfully. Next, your TikTok app open. Hi TikTok app open. This account open. This account open. Continue with Google. Two seconds wait. Next, click your email. I click my email. Next, continue. Click continue. 2 seconds wait. I log in my account. This account for check. My account open. Click profile. Click and 3 dot. Click TikTok studio. I check my account monetization. Monetization click. Monetization. All option. All option. You say creative.